to the video. Today we will be looking at how to buy and sell your first stock. So if you are new to investing, if you're new to buying and selling stocks, this video should be right up your alley and should walk you through the process of how to buy and sell your stock. Now, I will be using Fidelity to show you guys how to do it, but most brokerages are very similar, so whatever you learn here, you should be able to very easily translate to whatever platform you're using, whether it's Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, you name it, so the concepts are the same. So, with that being said, let's jump right over to the computer screen. Alright guys, so first we will look at how to buy a stock. You'll also see from the screen that I am already logged into my brokerage account here. I am using Fidelity. Just a fair warning, I will be covering up sensitive information such as account numbers, etc. But that should not get in the way of us doing this demonstration. So, having said that, let us first go and click on the trade button right here. And that would populate the trading ticket. We select an account. As you can see, we have two accounts here. There's about $1,000 in the brokerage account, so we choose the account that we want to trade from. And then we will select what we want to buy. So let us take a look at Adobe. We put in the ticker symbol for Adobe. This populates action. We want to buy shares of Adobe, and let's just say one quantity. Order type, we will say market order. So whatever the current market price is, it will get filled at the current market rate. And here we click on skip preview. So when we click on the place order over here, it will not show a preview as I've skipped the preview right here. It would go right through and the order would get executed at the current market price and we would have bought the stock. I am not going to place the order over here, but this is exactly what you need to know on how to buy your first stock. Also, I have a video on my channel on order types. This is very important and it goes in depth into what market order, limit order, stop loss order, and stop limit orders are. I will not cover this in this video, but if you are new and if you don't know what these different order types are, I highly recommend that you check it out. Alright, so now that we have seen how to buy a stock, let's check out how we could sell a stock that we already own. So you will see from here, we already own a few stocks over here. We own a few shares of Apple, a few shares of Microsoft, and a few shares of Visa. So just as an example, let us choose the Apple stock. So I'm going to go here and click on the Apple stock, and that would expand possible options that I have. So we are trying to sell this Apple stock. So I click on sell. Once again, the trade ticket populates and we have some of the information is already put in there. So symbol Apple is already filled out, action sell, quantity, and it shows here how many shares we currently own. We currently own 2 shares. So let's say we want to sell all our shares. So we put in 2. Order type, I am going to choose limit order over here. And I'm going to choose that the limit price be $390 because I don't want to sell the Apple stock at lower than $390. It's currently going for $383. Time and forces day, we will leave it as that. We don't need to put in any conditions. I skip the preview again. And once I click on place order, the order would be placed for a limit order to sell both of my shares that I currently own for Apple. And when Apple shares hit $390, those order would get executed. So that is all there is to it. It's as simple as that. Once again, I highly recommend you checking out the order type video on my channel if you are not familiar with what market order, limit order, stop loss order, or stop limit orders are. Alright guys, so that's all there is to it. It's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you like contents like this, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel. We talk all about personal finance and investing, and anything with a dollar sign, we talk about it in this channel. Also, let me know in the comment section below what topic you want to see videos on. And if I get enough responses, I'll make a video on that. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more beginners videos or more advanced videos when it comes to investing and trading. So once again, hope you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.